Well, good evening, everyone. A warm, warm welcome to all the lovely people out here. So, yes, we have here with us live, totally live, Maharani herself. The very gorgeous, very ravishing, very gracious, and a beautiful smile. Let's welcome Huma Qureshi, everybody. Come on. I thought the claps are going to be louder than the music that I'm going to hear today. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, let's now take you to the next category of awards. That's the fastest growing herbal product manufacturer company of the year, Punjab. And the award goes to Keva Kaipo Industries Private Limited.